Good morning students. Today we discussed about Introduction to Java of Standard 12 subject Computer. Introduction to Java. Java language was developed by Sun Microsystem in 1991. Java is small, fast, efficient and easily portable to a wide range of hardware devices. It is considered as one of the ideal language for distributing executable program via the World Wide Web and also a general purpose programming language for developing programs that are easily usable and portable access different platforms. Java developed in 1991 by Sun Microsystem. It is executable via the World Wide Web and also general purpose programming language for developing program and easily usable from different platforms. Java, we can take full advantage of object-oriented methodology and its capabilities of creating flexible, modular and reusable code. Reusable code means you can edit the present code and develop a new program. It is provided different classes like basic data types, system input and output capabilities and other utility functions. These basic classes are part of the Java development kit. JDK has classes to support networking, common internet protocol and user interface toolkit functions. Java is platform independent at both the source and the binary level. Java has platform independently has both the level source code and binary. Platform independent is a program capability of being moved easily from one computer system to another. Platform independently means to move a program easily to one computer to other. At the source level, Java primitive data have considered size across all development platforms. At binary level, platform independent is possible due to bytecode interpreter. The designer of Java choose the user combination of compilation and interpretation. Programs written in Java are compiled into machine for a computer that doesn't really exist. This so-called virtual computer is known as the virtual machine. The machine language for the Java virtual machine is called Java bytecode. The computers are known not only binary language or machine language and you write a program using Java language. That time it is necessary to convert a Java code in machine language and this is called virtual computers known as Java virtual machine and Java virtual machine language called Java bytecode. A Java program is composed of classes. It should have at least one class and it must have main method in it. Create Java source file using any plain ASCII text editor. If you want to create your Java source file, you can use plain ASCII any text editor. Java source file are given same name as the class. They define with the extension .java. Note that the class name and file name are case sensitive. Case sensitive means capital and small letters are different in this source code. When the program gets compiled without error, compiler creates a file with extension .class in the same directory as your source file. The extension of Java source file is .java, and when program compiled without error, create a file compiled file with the extension .class. Java source program file should have extension .java. Its name should be same as that of class when class is public. Note that the name is case sensitive. System.out.print and system.out.println, both these methods takes a value to be displayed as an argument. Both statements are given, that is system.out.print and system.out.println. Both the statement take a value from the argument. Method system.out.println adds a line after the end of the information, that is displays, while system.out.print does not. System.out.print take a value from the argument and add a new line after the end of the information, and system.out.print only take a value from the argument. Note that string literals enclosed in double quote, always string literals enclosed with double quotes. First, interpreter calls the main method. Main routine can call other subroutines that are defined in the same class or even in other classes, but it is the main routine that determines how and in what order the subroutines are used.